Hello world, welcome to KCB Talk again, where you learn, explore English and shine everywhere. My name is Karthik, your trainer for the day. Today we will learn how we can teach little children spoken English because it is quite common nowadays and we are confused how to teach little children spoken English. Now, as they are very little, they have less concept about speaking in English. They can't make sentences most of the cases. So for that matter, what we should do, we should ask them questions and they would give us answers by asking questions and getting answers. In this question answers forms, we will be able to help them to speak in English. So in that case, I have kind of varieties of questions that you can ask and make an environment where your child can learn how to speak in English. So here we have to make sure, as they are little children, we have to keep our patience level always up because they are little, and we have to be playful with them because they are so much active and they like to play. They are restless most of the cases. So in that case, what we should do, we should practice regularly with them, and the same activities we can practice and repeat. So in that way they would do it. They actually like to copy and they would love to copy. And I have varieties of questions for you today that you can use for the little children and you can help them to learn this. And we know very well that consistency is the key. So to get success here, we need consistency, and of course we should talk with small things, little things, and where they would find interest. We could ask questions. We should ask questions by using such kind of topic concepts. Even we can talk about their favorite activities. If they like to play, we can talk about playing sports, games and things. If they like to play with toy, we can ask questions from toys. In that way we may start. So from the scratch we can help them to learn this language well. In order to guide spoken English to little children, we shouldn't be nervous, we shouldn't be confused, we shouldn't be I would say serious at all, because it's kind of a learning process and it would be always fun with activities. So let them say wrong, let them sometimes keep quiet, let them sometimes pause. It's okay. So we have to just go with it and don't just think why he is not saying, why she is not saying, why my child is not saying, all other children are saying. That time you should wait, and your patience will work for that case. So let's begin with the first one. We will ask first their name. Now the name is the, I would say, first point that we can use to help them to speak in English. So we would try to ask them many names, as like we are giving example as like, what's your name, what's your name, what's your father's name, what's your father's name, what's your mother's name, what's your mother's name. If he or she has grandparents, we can even ask, what's your grandpa's name, what's your grandma's name. If he or she has sibling or siblings, we can ask their names as well. Next we would focus on numbers, because they're little, they are going to learn numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that way. So we can ask any questions that are related to numbers where the answer would be with numbers, as like we can ask like, how many siblings do you have? 1 or 2. how many brothers do you have, how many sisters do you have, though the question is same, siblings is equal to brothers and sisters, we know. We can even ask questions as like how many fingers do you have, and in that case even we can give them concept about some countless things, like we can say that how many hairs do you have. We can give them answer that this is countless. In that way we can give some ideas as like salt, rice, weight. We may ask questions about family, like how many family members do you have. So it's also a question related to the number, but yes, we can ask these questions where we are talking about the family, and as well as we can ask about the relationship between others in the family, so about the parents, about others. We can, so like, who are your parents? Of course, his or her father and mother. We can even ask that who are your grandparents? Of course, his or her grandfather and grandmother. We can even ask questions as like who are your siblings? So brothers and sisters. If it's only brother, then we can say brother, or if he or she has sister, then sister. If he or she has siblings, we can even ask that who are your siblings? So here we would say uncle and aunt. In that way we can make families questions interesting. Coming towards address. Now, of course, for a little child, it's important to know about at least his village name or her village name, and a little bit more about when he or she is developing. So we can ask questions as like, what's your village name? What's your village name? Where do you live in? Where do you stay? In that way, where is your house? In that way we can ask the same question in different ways. We can even ask like, what's your post office's name? What's your police station's name? What's your district's name? What's your state's name? What's your PIN code number? Even we can ask like, what's your country's name? In that way. We can even talk about his or her favorite things, because that would really give him or her interest to talk to even. So we could ask questions as like, what's your favorite sweet? What's your favorite flower? What's your favorite fruit? Even fruits. What are your favorite fruits? What are your favorite flowers? In that way we can even ask questions as like, what's your favorite ice cream? What's your favorite you can say anything related to favorite. Can be, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite friend? In that way. Wow, not what, who is your favorite friend? In that case, who is your favorite friend? Who is your best friend? Who are your friends? In that way we can ask questions. So what's your favorite toy? And what's your favorite game? What's your favorite sport? Sometimes we can ask questions to get answer as like yes or no. It's like, are you feeling hungry? So in that case you may help, like if he or she feels hungry, should say yes or no, then that case he or she should say no. So in that case, like, who do you do you love your mom? Do you love your dad? Do you love your mother? Do you love your father? Do you love your family? In that case, like, do you love to study? Do you love to play? Do you drink water? Do you go to school? Do you like to go to school? Do you love to go to school? Do you like to play sports? What do you like to play? In that case we can say, like, do you like to play cricket? Do you like to play racing? Do you like to play whatever, I'm just saying. So in that way we can ask questions and make this topic interesting. I have seen most of the cases little children They little children, they are very much interested towards their birthday, so we can help them some interesting things with birthday, like when is your birthday, when is your birthday. So we of course help them with, and later we can ask these questions repeatedly and with continuity, not just one day. We should follow it every day. From the daily routine, we can just take some times to help them in that case. So we can ask in that way, well, when is your birthday? Do you like to cut a cake on birthday? Do you like to blow candles on birthday? What do you want on your birthday? What kind of gifts do you want? So in that way we can ask questions, and we can even help them with the answers, so they can give answers later. In case of little children, as they are very little, they like to enjoy in the festivals with their family members, with their father and mother mostly. And in that case we can ask questions as like, what's your favorite festival, and what do you like to do? Do you like to eat? Do you like to go outside? Do you like to enjoy hopping here and there? In that way we can ask some questions related to festivals. There are many festivals we all know, so we can talk about it, and there are huge questions we can even make. Let's talk about school a little. So what's your school's name? Who is your headmaster or headmistress? Who is your principal? Who is your class teacher? Which subject do you like to study? Do you like to solve mathematics? Do you like to read and know more? In that way we can ask questions. Where is your school located? Do you like to go to school? In that way. So always make them feel interested with the school, because they will be spending their most of the time in school, and where they would learn everything from. In that way you can ask and frame many questions related to fruits, vegetables, flowers, birds, animals, and many more. So I hope you understood what I'm trying to say, and if you have further questions, please let us know here in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a very good day, and I wish you very good luck for your children. Thank you so much.